week later, I realized I had $100 to spend for 4 kids for Christmas. And I thought, well, I told her how to do it. Why don't I do it? We looked at each other and thought, are we nuts? We just spent our last $100 on bake stuff. And by that time, the store was full of black, oily soot and smoke. And if anybody's ever been in a fire, you don't have any idea what it's like. It's like putting an oily garbage bag over your head. You can't breathe and you can't see. And I fell in love with the walls. I thought the exposed brick and the big windows, I like that. I love the kids, and they all come and they're all excited to get a cookie.
We all love your cookies. So
future plans?
Yeah.
Retire.